back once again to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the teleprompter effect in CAPCUT. Teleprompter helps to keep your content scripts in front of you, so you don't forget your lines. If you're the type that finds it difficult in memorizing scripts, teleprompter is a go for you. So if you're interested in this kind of video, let me show you how to use it in CAPCUT. So when you open your CAPCUT, on the first interface, scroll up, click on teleprompter. Next, set up the time duration. You can put it on 15 seconds, 60 seconds, or 3 minutes. You are going to set it according to the length of your script. Next, tap on this pencil icon. You are going to delete this CAPCUT script. After that, you can then paste the script you generated from any of these AI script writers, or you can as well type it in by yourself, just like what I'm doing right now. Let me just type how to use teleprompter in CAPCUT. Then click on Done at the top right corner. Next, click on this blue record button and then start to read your script from the screen immediately after the countdown. And when you are done reading, just click on this blue check mark. You can as well edit your video. If you feel like you made a mistake, you can delete or start all over. And to do that, just click on this second icon at the top right corner. It will take you to the edit section. When you are done editing, just click on Save at the top right corner. Then tap here to export your video, and that's it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Drop your comments in the comment section. And also subscribe for more YouTube and CAPCUT tips. See you on the next one.